Discover incredible car tricks that over 80% of drivers never learn about. What's shocking is that one simple hack could prevent early engine failure. Most drivers ignore these tricks throughout their entire driving lives. You might be spending unnecessary money at mechanics for preventable issues. These 15 genius car hacks will revolutionize how you maintain your vehicle. Every single one saves you time and money consistently. Don't skip any because each one addresses real driving problems. Let's start with hack number 15, the backup keyhole behind your door. Your key fob battery dies in a parking lot suddenly. You're locked out with zero options appearing available. But here's the secret. Almost every modern car has a hidden keyhole. Look closely at your driver's door handle right now. There's usually a small cap you can pop off easily. Behind it lies a traditional keyhole for your emergency key. That little metal key attached to your fob isn't decorative. It's your backup designed specifically for this situation. Pop off the cover, insert the key, and you're back in. No locksmith, no expensive service call, no waiting helplessly. This mechanical backup works even when your car's battery is dead. Hack number 14. Use a Sharpie on car scratches to hide them. That annoying scratch on your bumper drives you crazy. Body shops want $200 to $400 for paint correction. You're not ready to spend that much on a cosmetic issue. Here's the brilliant hack. Find a permanent marker matching your color. Carefully color in the scratch with your marker. Let it dry for 1 minute, then buff it with a cloth. The marker fills in the scratch and makes it nearly invisible. This won't hold under close inspection permanently, but it's a brilliant temporary solution costing less than $2. It prevents rust from forming while looking decent. Keep a matching Sharpie in your glove box for touch-ups. Hack number 13. Use your car's built-in glove box fridge feature. You're on a road trip and your drinks get warm. You wish you had a cooler, but there's no space. Most drivers don't realize they're sitting on a cooling system. That glove box has a small vent connecting to your AC. When you turn on your AC, cold air flows into the compartment. It turns into a mini fridge, keeping drinks cold perfectly. Perfect for preventing chocolate from melting during drives. Your glove box becomes 20 to 30 degrees cooler than cabin. Road trippers swear by this feature once discovered. Hack number 12. Apply Vaseline to your car headlights. Your headlights look hazy and yellow from oxidation. This makes your car look older and reduces visibility at night. Restoration kits cost $20 to $30 or more. After cleaning headlights with toothpaste, grab petroleum jelly. Apply a thin layer to your headlight lens. Buff it with a clean cloth to seal the plastic. This creates a protective barrier, preventing future oxidation. It repels water, blocks UV rays, and keeps headlights clear. One application protects for several months depending on climate. A $3 jar of Vaseline protects your headlights for years. Hack number 11, transmission override when your battery dies. Your battery is completely dead and you need to move. Your gear shifter won't move out of park electronically. Every automatic transmission has a manual override built in. It's usually a small button or slot near the shifter. Look for a tiny slot labeled Shift Lock Release. Take a flathead screwdriver, key, or pen and push down. While pressing down, move the shifter into neutral. Your car can now roll freely without a jump start. This feature has saved countless drivers from towing fees. It's built into virtually every automatic transmission made. Hack number 10. Use WD-40 to silence squeaky door hinges. Your car door squeaks loudly every time you open it. That creaking sound announces your arrival everywhere. Grab a can of WD-40 and spray it on hinges. Open and close the door to work the lubricant in. Watch the squeak disappear completely from your vehicle. The WD-40 displaces moisture and cleans rust away. One application silences your doors for several months. Squeaky hinges indicate metal grinding without lubrication. A quick spray every few months prevents wear. It's preventative maintenance costing pennies and 30 seconds. Hack number 9. Wrap jumper cables in aluminum foil. You need to jumpstart your car, but there's a problem. Your jumper cables are old with corroded clamps. The car won't start, and you're worried about conductivity. Here's the hack. Wrap the clamp teeth with aluminum foil before attaching them to battery terminals for better connection. The foil creates better contact, improving conductivity. It can help jump a car even when cables are corroded. The aluminum acts as a bridge, filling gaps. The foil costs nothing and is easy to keep. It can mean the difference between getting home. Poor connections are one of the main reasons jump starts fail. Hack number 8, check for coins near your car door. Here's a scary truth. Thieves use coins to break into cars. Most drivers have no idea this is happening. They wedge a coin into your door handle, jamming it. This makes your key fob fail silently without notice. The thief waits until you're gone, then removes the coin. They walk right into your unlocked car easily. It's a spreading trick across parking lots nationwide. Before leaving your car, check your door handles. If you see anything wedged there, remove it. Manually check that your doors are actually locked. Pull your door handle after locking to confirm. This 5-second habit could save you from break-ins. Hack number 7, use side mirror heating in rain and snow. It's pouring rain or freezing cold outside right now. Your side mirrors are covered in water, ice, or fog. You can't see anything in them and you're stuck. Many modern cars have heated side mirrors built in. There's usually a button on your climate control panel, often combined with the rear defrost button. Press that button and both your window and mirrors heat. The heating elements melt ice and evaporate water. No more reaching out the window while driving. This feature is clutch during winter mornings. One button press keeps your mirrors clear for drives. Heated mirrors improve visibility, preventing accidents. This feature is standard on way more vehicles. Even mid-range sedans from the last 10 years have it. Hack number 6, use an apple to clean your windshield. Your windshield is covered in stubborn grime and splatter. That weird film won't come off no matter what. Here's the hack. Cut an apple in half. Use the exposed flesh to scrub your windshield inside. The natural acids in the apple break down grease. Rub the apple half across the glass in circular motions. The fruit's texture acts like a gentle scrubber. The acids dissolve oils and stubborn residue. After covering the windshield, wipe it clean. Your windshield will be crystal clear with 0 streaks. You didn't use a single chemical cleaner. Apples contain malic acid, which is a natural cleaner. It cuts through grease without harsh chemical residues. One apple costs about 50 cents and cleans everything. Hack number 5, put your car key in the refrigerator. Your key fob range seems weaker than it used to be. You used to unlock from across the parking lot. Now you have to be right next to it. The battery isn't dead yet, but it's dying slowly. Here's a weird trick that actually works in emergencies. Put your key fob in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. The cold temperature temporarily boosts battery power output. This gives you a bit more range temporarily. This isn't a permanent fix since your battery is dying, but in a pinch when you need your fob to work. This can buy you time before needing new batteries. Cold temperatures slow down chemical reactions. Hack number 4, use a lint roller to clean your interior. Your car's interior is covered in dust, crumbs, pet hair. You've tried vacuuming, but it doesn't get everything. Professional detailing costs over $100. Here's the hack. Grab a lint roller, roll it over your seats, carpets, dashboard, and surfaces. The sticky sheets pick up dust, hair, crumbs, particles. Vacuums miss these, but lint rollers grab everything. It's fast, effective, and satisfying. A lint roller costs about $5 and gives many uses. Keep one in your car for quick cleanups anytime. This trick is clutch for pet owners. Lint rollers work great on headliners, door panels, mats. It's gentler than aggressive vacuuming. Unlike vacuums, lint rollers don't require power or noise. You can clean your car in parking lots or rest stops. Hack number 3, use a panty liner with essential oils. Your car smells funky, but you can't find the source. You've cleaned everything, but the smell won't go away. Air fresheners mask it temporarily. Here's the genius hack. Take a panty liner, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil, stick it under your seat or in a door pocket. The liner slowly releases fragrance for weeks. This provides subtle fragrance unlike hanging fresheners. You can customize it with any scent you like. Lavender, eucalyptus, vanilla, whatever makes you happy. The liner has adhesive backing so it stays. Each liner costs pennies, making this incredibly cheap. The liner also absorbs moisture and odor. It tackles the root cause rather than covering. It's a two-in-one solution that works great. Hack number 2, use baby oil to restore interior shine. Your dashboard, door panels, and trim look faded. Everything appears dull and worn out, looking bad. Detailing products promise shine, but cost a fortune. Here's the hack. Baby oil on a cloth works. Wipe down your dashboard, console, door panels. The oil restores shine, making everything look new. It conditions the material, preventing cracking. One bottle of baby oil costs about $3. It lasts you several months easily. Your interior gets showroom shine without expense. Baby oil is safe, non-toxic, leaves pleasant scent. Baby oil is essentially mineral oil. It's a key ingredient in expensive products. You're getting the same results cheaper. Baby oil creates a barrier against sun damage. Regular application extends interior life. This works on leather seats and steering wheels. It works on rubber trim and vinyl surfaces. It's versatile, effective, and most people have it. Hack number 1, use a plunger to remove small dents. You've got a small dent on your door or fender. A body shop quotes $150 to $300 to fix it. Before handing over cash, try this simple method. Grab a standard plunger like you use for sinks. Wet the edge and press it firmly over the dent. Pull and the suction can pop out shallow dents. It won't damage the paint on your vehicle. But for door dings and minor dents, it's effective. People have saved hundreds using this trick. Is it perfect? No, but it's free and fast. It works often enough to be worth trying first. Worst case, you're out 30 seconds of time. Best case, you saved yourself a huge repair bill. This works best on smooth, flat panels like doors. The key is creating a strong seal. Wet both the plunger and the surface thoroughly. Press firmly and pull straight out steadily. You might need a few attempts, but it works. It's deeply satisfying watching that dent pop out. Timing matters tremendously for dent removal. Fresh dents are easier to remove than old ones. If you just got a ding, try immediately. Do it before the metal settles into new shape. These 15 hacks will save you thousands. Which ones shocked you the most? Drop a comment below letting me know. If this video saved you money on mechanic visits, subscribe for more money-saving car content. Your wallet will definitely thank you.